Hello, welcome to CBSE Maths Class 3. Today we are going to start the lesson measurement. Measurement has very important role in our day-to-day life. How it is? Do you know that when your mother cooks food, how she makes different dishes for you? Of course, she will measure and then only she will put the things, the accurate ingredients, correct? Similarly, if she takes rice, biryani, like if she makes chapati, anything, then everything she used to measure, then only it will be enough for you. Otherwise, it will be less or more. So, in olden days, people use different measurements to use different objects. For example, we used to say cubit, handspan, etc. But what is the problem? If we use these all measurements, these all are not accurate. It depends on the person who measures. It varies person to person. So, in modern world, accurate measurements have been found. That means standard units have been found. Mainly, they are meter, kilometer, etc. for length, kilogram, gram, etc. for mass or weight, liter, milliliter, etc. for capacity. Now, in this chapter, I am going to tell you how these measurements have been used. And in this video, I am just giving an introduction. In our second video, we will start conversion. As I told you, length, mass, capacity. These all have very important role in our life. Did you ever go to a tailor to stitch your dress? Yes, of course. That time how did he measure? He or she? They used to take measurements of each part of your body. Then only it will be fit for you, right? Similarly, if you are participating in a running race, how did you know that how much you ran? Yes, it is also something like that. 25-meter running race, 50-meter running race, etc. So exactly your sports teacher or PT teacher used to make the distance from here to here, it is 25 meter. So if you cover fast, who will be the winner? Let us see. Like that he or she used to say, right? These all are measurements, but we are not knowing it. These measurements we are using in our real life. Correct? That means mathematics is everywhere around us. We are not at all bothered about it. Mathematics is there everywhere. When you wear a dress, I said, correct? Then if you are participating in running race, why to say when you are traveling from one place to another place, that is also, there is also distance is there. That distance is also what? Kilometer we used to say. So there is also measurement. Correct. Now let us know about length. First we will discuss about length. In class 3 you are learning about millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Smaller units are measured in millimeter, larger units are measured in kilometer. So you have to remember one more thing. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and also 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. These all things you have to remember. I repeat, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Now we will see how we use these units. Suppose if someone is asking you, how will you measure the length of your room, bedroom? So what we should say? We should say it is in meter. Because millimeter is very small, centimeter is bigger than millimeter, but centimeter is also small. So we should say it is in meter. And if you are simply playing in a playground, what does? It is in meter again. So if you are playing in a playground, we used to take its distance is in meter. The length of your kurta, that must be in centimeter, right? And length of your pen, centimeter. Length of your pencil, centimeter. Length of your water bottle, centimeter. And where millimeter is used? Millimeter is very small, very small. Something small things if you get, we can say it is like 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, like that. So when you take a small chalk piece, okay, that time you have to check. It will be just before 1 centimeter, right? Or something like we say point you don't say now. We should say it is in 5 millimeter only. I mean its length is 5 millimeter only, very small piece. Okay, generally when we take a chalk piece, it will be in centimeter. But if it is very small, we should say it is in millimeter. In the same way, the distance between two places is measured in kilometer. I said you already, the larger distances are measured in kilometer. Suppose if we say distance between Delhi and Kerala, it is in kilometer. And also distance between Punjab and Tamil Nadu, it is also in kilometer. So smaller one, very smaller one in millimeter, larger one is in kilometer.